Hello, I'm Eric Worthington, owner and operator of Foothills Star Appliance Repair here in Yuma, Arizona. This video is made for Google My Business because they requested proof of the existence of my business, Foothills Star Appliance Repair. So I'll walk through the things that I have that prove it's my business. Here's my hat, Star Appliance. Here's my truck, Foothills Star Appliance Repair. My phone number, 602-730-4280. Here's, I pulled out front so you can see my address. So my address, 12369 East 39th Place, Yuma, Arizona, 85367. So that's me. I run an appliance repair business. There's nothing that happens in my house. That's my house back there. It's all in my truck right here. And I go to customers' homes and repair their appliances. And they find me via Google Maps when they search for appliance repair in my zip code, 85367. Very specific. So if you need any other evidence or proof from me, I have recently applied for a business license with the city of Yuma. Don't technically need it because I don't go into the city of Yuma, but I did it for you, for Google, because you wanted to see a license. So that should be arriving soon. But you also asked for a video of my business. So here's my business again. My sign, my hat, my address, my Jeep. And that's what I run my business out of, my 1995 Jeep Wrangler. Here's all my tools. Here, appliance repair tools are in there. And I'm Eric Worthington, owner and operator of Foothills Star Appliance Repair. Thank you very much. Please take my business off the